Good morning. We're at home now. Just be back here yesterday afternoon, 6:30 p.m. Yeah. With Daddy Shane Lawrence Young. Yes, he's watching TV. That's our daily routine here. If good condition, we're going to ocean. So we have to reschedule when we're going to other beach here at Puerto Galera. Hey, good morning guys, just few minutes. Just update. We already here at Puerto Galera. Daddy. We have aircon. That's why I can't go outside. So I have business. Shell business. Yeah. I'll show you the sample. If you wanna order for me, accessories made from the shell, I show you first. This one. I'll show you. Okay. Yeah. You wanna order shell, earrings, necklace. I made it for you, but you have to buy. Yeah, so you can order. That's it. It look nice. And this is, if you wanna wear or display, can be like that. And this one, I take off the plastic first. Yeah. That's what I'm making. If I keep busy myself, that's what I'm doing. Making business good. I'll show you. Like this. Easy to wear while going to party, go to ocean, with you wearing swimsuit. Look cute. Beautiful. That's it. That's what I'm making here to keep busy myself while we're living here at Oriental Mindoro. And necklace. I'll show you the necklace. And Daddy can help me to making this one. And curtain. Black. I like this. You can dip them or you can put it in there. Let's just put it in. Yeah. And this one. Yeah. Well, like as fortunes. You look cute. See? Well, you know how they say like birds of a feather, that expression? If you want necklace with earring, yeah, like that. I'm too old now, that's why I'm not, sometimes I'm wearing, yeah, it's not cute. You see? Yellow spray paint, okay, cool. Not spend time. Better to keep busy myself to doing this. And then I bring some materials for making. Like this. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to order, just call me. Okay, see you guys. See you to the next video with Daddy Shane,
Make sure it lines up on this edge.
Shane Lawrence Young. I'm still not good condition. No enough sleep.
And then you need like a little, you need a top for it too. So that
See you guys. I'm still messy. That's it.
Okay. This kid's throwing up.
We're living here.
You're ready to go.
This place.
Okay. But it's
Smile, Daddy. Say hi and good
you
morning.
can sell them away without